Well, how y'all are this afternoon? This is your buddy George Jones over here at the Bergen Gun Range adjusting the damn camera and see if we can't get a wide enough field of view to where we can see what we're doing. Let's try that. With my next installment on 8, I got some new ammo. Let's try it out. The ammo we've got today is Norma Raccoon Killer. That's that right there. Norma Raccoon Killer. This is Eco Speed 22 lead free, and it is solid point 25 grain bullet at 706 feet per second at the muzzle, 210 joules. You play Joule of the Nile on the computer, I reckon this ammunition come in handy. Hyper velocity, up to 50% increased speed. All right, we're going to look at it. This is what it looks like. This is what the bullet looks like. And it's a lubricated flat point bullet. So it's like, looks like any other standard solid point 22. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to target them down here 15 yards with a 3-inch target dot on it. We got 2 of them, one high, one low, and we're going to compare it because we've got another solid point high velocity to compare it to, the CI. And the CI is at 1,600 feet per second or whatever. So it's a lot faster than a normal 22 long rifle high speed. Our test bed today is going to be the CZ ZKM, the cute little 22 rifle that shoots really good. So we might as well get her rolling right here while we're sitting here not doing nothing. First we'll shoot the 5 rounds of the Norma stuff. That in there like that. Bolt that guy in there like that. This is the first time I've ever shot this ammunition. We'll shoot the Norma at the bottom target. Okay, it shoots good, feels good. Oh, it's awful smoky. Awful smoky. Get a 5-round group on that guy, take our time. Grab it out here by the schnubble. The schnubble. Isn't that kid's name on Gold Rush? Isn't his name Schnubble? That'd be bad. Imagine go through high school with a last name like Schnubble. Well, the guy that designed the Star PD, his name was Peter Dickey. Imagine going through high school with a name like Peter Dickey. You'd have to be one tough son of a bitch, buddy. That's all there is to it. It'd be worse than being named Sue. Hey, Dickey. Dickey. He also designed the retrofit to the M16 to make it a 9mm submachine gun. It's a very popular subgun in the 70s. All right, that's 5 rounds of the Norma. Our comparison testing will be 5 rounds of CI at the top target. I could shoot this little gun all day. And it's almost like a muzzleloader. It'll take you all day to go through a box of shells. Boy, it will. It'll kill a squirrel. Very accurate. You don't see any squirrels around here. There's a reason for that. Take all day to shoot 5 rounds out of this gun. This will be our last one here. No, we got one more. Oops, got that in there wrong. I push that forward a little bit, then put that in there. I think that was just a loose round laying there, wasn't it? We'll go ahead and put it in. Yeah, okay. Push that up every time. All right. All right, we're done with this. Let's go down there and look at our accuracy comparison. Today, walked by the assistant director.
Pretty equal.
Pretty equal. Pretty equal. This is our CI for 5 rounds. Right there now, all in that quadrant. And 5 rounds of the Norma, all in a quadrant, slightly off. That's about right. All right, now let's try it for function reliability. Let's see how it works in various guns. So the first thing we'll do is we'll try it in a semi-automatic rifle. I think the best thing to try it in will be the Ruger International. It works pretty good with about everything I've ever put in it. All right, got one in battery. Here we go. Okay, it hit it, but it didn't functionate it. Oh, really? Now look. Uh-huh. I see. Really? Just rim wrecked that one. And this is Ruger International. This thing works. This is a good, reliable working gun. All right. Let's try it again. Yep, it go all the way in the battery that time. It's very unsatisfactory. I think I only put 5 in it. Okay. Very unsatisfactory. Okay. All right, let's see how it works in a couple of standard automatics that we have. Here's the Ruger Taurus TX. Warning to YouTube, I am installing my silencer. Hey, like that. Reliability only, not worried about marksmanship. Let's get them in the backstop. Yep. Failure to cycle. Shoots good. I can see the cocked action indicator back here isn't back, so we know that didn't cycle. And it didn't put one in there that time. Okay. Didn't cycle. Yeah, we're not getting anywhere here. Uh-huh. Stovely pipe. Didn't cycle. Yep. Yeah, we're not getting anywhere this way. Might as well quit with it. And that one's stuck in the chamber. Really? That one's stuck in the chamber. Have to get a rod and take that out. Alright, that's not doing us any good. Well, let's try the Ruger, a very reliable gun. I didn't even feed the first one. Let's try the Ruger. stovepipe. Don't work too bad in the Ruger. It's about like CCI quiet. Won't cycle very well. Won't cycle the case all the way out and put another one in there. It just brings it back a little bit and then puts the empty case back in the chamber. Yeah. Thank God that's over. All right, let's try it in something we might work in. Let's try it in a lever action rifle. I put it in the lever action rifle. Let's try the Henry 22 and see how it works in it. I think that's it. Yeah. So, what's it work in? Well, it ain't much of a semi-automatic ammunition, period, looks like. You know, if a round will work good in a 1022, it'll work good in a Speedmaster. Okay? If it'll work good in a Ruger, it should work good in a 1022, right? So, we got nothing going on. Revolver, lever action, single shot, bolt action, magazine fed, that sort of thing. Looks like you got good function. It shoots good. The ammunition is accurate at an acceptable range, but you know, as an automatic cycling ammunition, it's not very reliable at all. Now, what are we going to do? Well, let's talk about something else. Let's sit up and do something else. Let's try a penetration test. Let the camera run. You can listen to us talk and bitch about it. Let's sit this table up downrange, and then we'll move on to the penetration test comparison. I'll get the penetration comparison box out of the back of the truck. The old pine board test box. It ain't easy making these videos. That's why I beg for money on Patreon. See this? That lumber cost $35 this morning. One board. Cut into equal pieces. Now here, on back. 10 yards? Yeah, right about there. Be fine.
You fellas have a good day.
All right, then we'll see you, buddy. Penetrating test here. Got here. Just a couple of little target dots so we can tell the difference between what we're shooting and what we're not shooting at. Get us a couple of target dots so we'll know a difference.
12 1-inch boards.
Yeah, 12 1-inch. And we'll do the comparison to the Norma, again to the CI, which is 2 hypervelocity shells. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can get this worked out here. We can pile crap up here. There is a Norma right there. And then we'll get a CI out of here if we can get it out. Because this stuff's back good. Look, it's embarrassing. Just want one bullet out there, buddy. Oh no, that's CI. That's trying to get our confusion lined out here. We can maximize our confusion. All right, here we go. Bottom target will be CI, and the top target will be Norma. Let's get us a bullet. Load that guy in there somehow or another. All right, here we go. Top, CI. Bottom, Norma. All right, let's check them out. Top CI, bottom Norma. Yep. Top CI, bottom Norma. Norma shoots just about the same way.
3, 4.
4.
There it is.
There it is. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right there.
5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then it looks like.
It just barely did it the 7th.
Yeah. So both of them made it. Both of them made it the same distance. Okay. So at least they've got penetration of some kind. All right. So what do we prove? Well, it's a good penetrator. It's a soft point. It's a good solid point. It's a good solid point 22 bullet. It's not good at functioning in semi-automatics at all. However, you know, it probably take game all right, and it's got good penetration. So out of a 22 revolver, you know, it would be good. Out of a bolt action, or a single shot, or a magazine fed bolt action, or a pump, you know, field master, or lever action, you're okay. Semi-automatic, not very good ammo for it. Price point, well, the price point's rather high. Just to tell you the truth, like most Norma ammunition, it's rather high. I'm not allowed to say on YouTube anymore just exactly how much this carton of 22s cost. But it costs. Well, all right then. Like, take, share, buy, commentate, and subscribe. Leave me no dollar in the Patreon bucket if you want to. Join the NRA. We need them worse than anything now. We're in bad shape for them now because nobody else got a lobby, nobody else got lawyers, nobody else is suing. Okay? So if you're in GOA or Goof Offs of America or USCCA or whatever the hell else is, just go ahead and send your money to Bloomberg. Okay? Go ahead and send your money to George Soros, because that's where it's going. All right then. Love your neighbor. God bless everybody. God bless America. We'll see you when we see you. Bye now.